What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Commentary for you. Dividend investing, as always, link down in the description. You want to join through Robinhood, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. I want to talk about Fastenal. I want you to look at these headlines from 2019. Waiting for a better entry level. Best house on the block, neighborhood isn't looking so good. You've got another one here questioning the value evaluation. Now, while all this is happening, I'm not buying. But I like a lot of what Fastenal is doing. They've got these vending machines that actually go right into their customers' buildings to allow them to always have stock on hand. They're also supporting sports that I love. For a long time, Fastenal was letting Ricky Stenhouse wreck these beautiful Fastenal race cars. So there's a lot of things that I liked about what Fastenal did. They're also local to me. There's Fastenal right down the street, as a matter of fact. Now, during all those headlines, what was Fastenal doing? Well, they were increasing their value from $26 to $38. But it was more than just the value of their stock going up. They were continuing to give back to their shareholders. So you look at the same time frame. They're increasing their dividend for 22 years continually. 11% growth rate, 69% payout rate, 2.5, little more than that percent yield. This is what you have to understand about getting into the market, trying to time the market, waiting for the best time. I got in at 36, it went down a little bit, it's went back, it's at 38 right now. There's people that'll tell you that it's too high, it's going to fall. And you know what? At some point, one of them is going to be right. But you have to understand the value of the US dollar. And the value of the dollar is only quantified by what you're comparing it against. How much the dollar is worth today versus the yen, for example, would be different than what it was 2 years ago. Probably different from what it would be 2 years from now. But if you invest in great companies, and I think Fastenal is a great company, your value is always going to go up because the dollar is going to decline. That's how smart investing works. That's what keeps you safe from inflation when you invest intelligently. So even though in 2019, all these experts were pulling me away from the stock when I knew I should have been investing, it still went up in value. It very well could be priced accordingly to the market then and now, but I've protected myself from inflation. I've protected myself with dividend growth. And that's what investing is about. Making your money work for you, putting yourself in a better financial situation, and in some cases, not listening to the experts, not listening to the person on YouTube, and just doing what you think is best and right for you. If you believe in a company and you support a company, then you can't go wrong in many cases. In this case, I went wrong because I waited too long. And if it dips again, I'll gladly buy more of it. But I wanted to show you guys some real experiences of things that turned me away from a stock against my own better judgment that ended up being wrong. Love to know your thoughts on this. Appreciate you checking it out. I will be back in the week with more commentary.